Hey Adrian, my name is Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to show you just a few digital marketing strategies you could have been using or start using to help bring in more customers to your business. So without further ado, let's just dive into this brief SEO audit. So first things first, I clicked your website link here, and unfortunately it just keeps on spinning and then ultimately takes me to this site can't be reached. I'm able to access everything else, so what I'm kind of thinking is happening is you most likely are having some sort of connection issue to your domain or your hosting site. So I'm just going to dive into some of the things you want to look for with some of your competitors. So first thing is I just typed in carpet clean in Phoenix. That's the area you service, and your number one competitor is this right here, Do It Your Way, or Done Your Way, sorry, carpet cleaning right here. So we can see they have a nice website build. It's pretty simple, but it's very effective, aesthetically pleasing. You can click a lot of areas. It can take you places. And what it'll do is my first SEO thing, and that's going to be it has 1,500 words or more of content. So in order to get to be found by Google's algorithms, one of the minimum requirements that they outline is they want to see 1,500 words of content. Now, of course, you don't have to have that on your website, but if you want to be ranking, that's just one of those first things that you can do. And having that content actually helps with my second thing, which is going to be keywords. Now, what a keyword is it's any single word or phrase that is searched for in a Google search bar. So right here, this would be a keyword. Now, to break it down further, what I did is I ran the company that we're looking at in a tool called Ahrefs, and we can see they're being found for over 4,000 keywords. And here are those keywords that they're being found for. So, for example, they're being found for things such as let's go back one. They're being found for things such as carpet cleaning Phoenix, Mesa, carpet cleaner Mesa, and 4,000 other things. But what you want to look at is there's 1.3 thousand people alone every month searching for this exact keyword. So if you're not in the first, basically the first 5 sites in Google, they release the stats that over 80% of people will just keep scrolling. So you're missing out on most of those, over 800 people who are searching for services. Now, the last thing I want to touch on is how you get to the front, and that's going to be backlinks and your domain rating. So what a backlink is it's a link from any website pointing to your website. So for example, if site A is pointing to site B, then site B would be getting some of the power from site A. It's basically a popularity contest in which Google wants to see the most sites, but they can't just be any sites. They need to be relevant, high quality websites pointing to your website, giving them power, and that is what raises this domain rating and what Google cares the most about. So those are just a few quick tips and tricks you could start doing. So we covered a few things today. We covered having the minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage. We discussed keywords, and you could see just how important it is to be ranking and getting this traffic to see your site so that they click on you and ultimately use you for what they need. Lastly, we discussed backlinks and how you want to have not only more, but even better relevant quality sources pointing to your website. Now, like I said, this is a very brief overview. If you want a more in-depth look at your website and what you could be doing to bring in more customers to your company, then you can go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing back from you.